old idiot. Yes, man.
So first there was Shovel Girl, then we had Scooter Boy, now Paddle Man? So from the title of the video, please move your car, bruh. I'm just going to make the assumption that somebody asked somebody to move them car, but somebody going like a bad man and then this happened. Shall I remix the Chris Brown for this one? Take it to the chest! Yeah, yeah. On a serious level, I have a feeling that this man is secretly Superman. Because a Superman alone can take them the lick to the chest and make it look like nothing. Look everybody, it's a bird, it's a plane, kakaras, a paddle man. Raw, 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 your paddle right across my chest. Weak, what, slippity slap. Chest set up like two breasts. Am I the only person that thinks this looks like a scene from Jackass? What's up, nigga? I'm Black Guy in a white shirt, and this is paddle chest decongestion. Let's go. That's the kind of lick where empty your lungs. After that upper thorax earthquake, all signs of oxygen and carbon dioxide evacuated his lungs. Nobody can tell me say that brother you never used to play a gang. For all my country people, forget about Vicks. There is a new remedy to decongest your chest. Paddle slaps the mucus right out of your chest. Why the hell is this brother so dusty? Look at all of the dust flying off of him after him get the chest buster. I have heard of individuals spending hours to get a face lift, but this brother get chest reduction surgery in 1 second. His chest got reduced so far back it became his back. His nipples probably look like two-dimensional dots. My youth now have full stops for what used to be his nipples. You ever rest like the side of your head on your hand for long and then you see the hair prints on your hand? That's how his chest look. The hair them on his chest left all sort of fossil imprints. Before the lick, the hair on his chest was light. But after the lick, permed. Apart from the chest puffins and a couple other slaps, the two other funniest parts of the video was this. And when the brother pulled the, I bet me kicking on your butt. What next will be used to slap the shit out of somebody? I don't know, but I am anticipating it just like you. That's all I have for this video. Hit the like button if you want more reaction videos. Follow me on Twitter. I will be vining soon, so go follow me on Vine too. If you have any good videos that you would like to see my reaction to, message it to me on my Facebook page and I'll see how best I can make it funny for you to laugh at. And don't forget to like the Facebook page also, or else I'm kicking at your butt. This is Kevin Too Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.